Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create EVM wallet address in MetaMask. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MetaMask mobile application. Then tap on this browser tab. That would be the fourth tab in the bottom. So you need to simply tap on it. Now, after doing so, you need to use the search bar, and here in the search bar of it, you need to simply search for Core DAO. Now once you type this query, you need to simply just tap on the search icon and wait for it to show you the results. Now you need to tap on the first link in this list, that is coredao.org. So you need to simply tap on it. After doing so, you need to wait for some time and you need to accept the cookies. Then scroll down a bit and in the bottom you will see this add core network option. So you need to simply tap on this option and then it will show you this type of pop-up in front of you. Now you need to tap on the confirm option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and it will say that core network is now added to your MetaMask account. So after reading all of these details, these are the things that you need to keep in mind. So make sure that you read these details thoroughly. Then tap on the got it option here and this way you will be able to create your EVM wallet address in MetaMask. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.